today we're going to Brazos Bend State Park. Let's go! Dito kami ngayon sa Peking Garden Chinese Restaurant. This is stopover. Ayun na nga, tapos kami kumain. So we're back on the road. Still have 25 minutes of drive.
This is the entrance. In 4.5 kilometers, turn right.
Good afternoon. I made a reservation for me online. Malaki itong park ko. So, kailangan talaga natin ng map para makarating sa atin.
Okay.
So, we have to just go there kasi dun tapa tayo. Saan, anong pinareserve natin? Dun tapa tayo. Dito mo all the map.
No.
Pinapigit mo. Ikaw daw yan. So dito kami sa Brazos Bend State Park. It's a beautiful place. Perfect park. You can get away from the city.
Let's buy coffee. Excuse me. Excuse me. Kulim natin.
Magiging niya kasi ito lang yan. Kapag na ito. Layog-layog. Wala akong sorry ito.
Gusto mo?
Mainit ba? Ikaw gusto mo half-pot ka din.
Pwede dyan.
Ito kung nakita sa glass.
Okay.
Ito lang yung mga gamit sa auto.
Okay.
Mainit? Di ka ba nainitan? I mean, okay lang, parang tayo ba kayo?
What's the difference?
Medyo, dinapalas yun.
So we'll do this again next week or after next
After
week.
next week. Morning. It's 2:30. 8 a.m. Guys, ito. Pauwi na kami after an overnight dito sa Brazos Bend. Sobrang lamig kagabi. Sumulan pa. An hour drive to Houston.